Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching ES File Explorer and granting storage permission. This gives the app read and write access right away. Once done, enable Show Hidden Files so system folders are visible, and make sure you have a recent backup because changes are permanent. Then tap Internal Storage and confirm you see familiar folders like DSIM or Downloads. This establishes context. From here, you're set to locate a target file and begin the first actionable operation: copy, move, or rename. You now pick a target by long pressing it. This reveals the action bar with copy, move, compress, and delete. When you need organization, create a new folder or rename items to maintain clarity, and compress to. Zip if you want to save space. Once you select multiple files, use Move to place them in a new directory. The path bar shows where you are, and the search field jumps you into deeply nested folders. Remember to tap Paste to complete any copy or move operation. Finish by connecting to remote storage if needed. Open Network, choose LAN or FTP, and enter the server IP plus credentials. This syncs files across devices. Then run the cleaner to remove cache and empty the recycle bin to reclaim space. If a file operation fails, first check app storage permissions and available free space. Then restart ES File Explorer or regrant permissions. That usually resolves write errors. If problems persist, move files in smaller batches and watch for any permission prompts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.